Feiyu Scorp. How to connect Feiyu Scorp. Download and install Feiyu Scorp. Before using, first, download the Feiyu Scorp app, available for both iOS and Android devices. You can use your phone's App Store to search for Feiyu Scorp, or scan the QR code to download it. Then connect to Feiyu Scorp. Open the phone to set Bluetooth. Ensure the Bluetooth is turned on. Back to the phone home screen. Open Feiyu Scorp to register and log in. Then click to connect the equipment. It will automatically search the nearest device to connect. The first time you connect, it will remind you to activate. Choose the activation option. Then it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.